Type 4 of the Enneagram, it is the romantic. Romantics believe they can regain any lost love. They believe in finding love in situation that is unique, special and fulfilling. Consequently, romantics are idealist, deep feelings, empathetic and authentic. They can also be dramatic, moody and sometimes self-absorbed. Now let's see the romantics' focus of attention. It is always on what is missing. They're always looking for it. Life lesson for type 4, the romantic. They have to learn to reclaim wholeness in the present moment by appreciating what is here and now. Feeling the experience in their bodies rather than overindulging in the story of what is happening. And accepting yourself as you are without needing to be unique or special. What does type 4 tell us about themselves? I long for what is missing, distant or unattainable. The ordinary pales in comparison. My deep sense of abandonment translates into belief that will never be fulfilled. I envy and idealize what others have that I don't. Authenticity and meaningful experience are essential to me. My suffering sets me apart from others. How do you relate to type 4, the romantic? Appreciate the emotional sensitivity, creativity and idealism. Reveal your own feelings and reactions, but avoid being overly rational. When they're upset, don't take everything they say too literally, since they may be expressing a momentary feeling. Return to the present and be positive when acknowledging their experience of what is missing. Seek to understand and empathize without necessarily agreeing with them. Type 4, the romantic. What are the things they have to reflect on? Wholeness already exists here in the present moment. Emotional intensity is not necessary for emotional fulfillment. One's value is inherent. It does not come from being special. When we focus on what is missing, we miss out on appreciating what we have. Cultivating the happiness of others helps us overcome envy and longing. What are type 4 individuals under different health levels? At healthy levels, individuals create thought-provoking and groundworking works of art that shift perspectives to a greater good. They are recognized as idea synthesizers who can help others rethink what art should be like. Major shift in art styles and fashions are largely due to out-of-box thinking from individuals, since they possess the ability to rework past experience into new works of art. Highly attuned to the emotions, individuals undergo a process of metamorphosis before fully emerging as a butterfly with wings to soar. Type 4 under average health levels. Type 4 let out the stress through a creative outlet and may bond with like-minded people to gain inspiration and support. Emotionally intense and introspective, they are seekers of authenticity, sometimes at the expense of others' patience and feelings. Self-absorbed and artistically expressive, individuals maintain their personal mood and inspiration board to piece together the different aspects of themselves and their identity. At average levels, they may become hypersensitive to criticism, yet firm to themselves. This results in them actively seeking praise and flattery. They may be strongly offended if others slight them. Now let's look at unhealthy levels. Individuals become excessively moody, depressed and fragile. They can develop an extreme tendency to reflect, which is intrusive to your natural creative energies. In extreme cases, they may lose their grip on reality and resort to extreme sensory coping mechanisms such as alcohol or hallucinations. The search for the missing piece can lead them down a never-ending spiral of dead ends. They can fall into the same ditches and make the same mistakes if they refuse to admit their self-destructive behaviors and thinking patterns. They're prone to developing the belief that there's something inherently broken about them. At the peak of distress, individuals may delete their entire presence from the web and isolate themselves from the world. To conclude, type 4, the romantic, under unhealthy conditions, the same highly creative and groundbreaking person can traverse and fall into a deep shell of no return. Very unfortunate.